Is it unusual for the Chief Justice of Queensland to be sworn in a private ceremony?
Very, very unusual indeed. Well, we're normally standing room only. Everybody crams into the biggest court that we have, the Benko Court. This, of course, will be done in a small room. There'll probably be a handful of witnesses and the new judge's family. Obviously, a conscious decision was made not to run the risk of having a large ceremony and a series of speeches that might end up being embarrassing as well as a spectacle of hardly anybody turning up.
We'll have a public event in the not too distant future. You know, it's were just circumstances that meant that a private swearing in was unavoidable. But it's something that I should share not only with my family but with the public, and we'll do that. And we'll do that shortly.
He's a very competent barrister, but he hasn't shown any. He's not up at the top of the rank. He certainly hasn't shown much mastery of the civil law or been engaged in major cases. I don't think he's published anything or shown that he has any particular ideas. And I think alarm bells would have to be ringing from the fact that he resigned from his previous judicial appointment after a few years. On the face of it, it looks like a bad appointment.
There are a lot of aspirants for this job. They don't come around very often, and it's obviously a pivotal job at the pinnacle of the legal profession. Mr. Fitzgerald's right. I am ambitious. I'm young. I'm energetic, and I'm dedicated. And as you'll see from my record, I've done lots of different sorts of public service. So to me, I can genuinely say this is another opportunity to perform a public service, and in light of the criticism, it's definitely a challenge.
Well, I'm personally very, very excited about it. I mean, I know he doesn't fit the mould of what we've always done before, but what we've always done before just isn't actually working in today's society. So I think it's time for a change. It's time for a fresh set of eyes and ears and some innovation, and to drag this system into the 21st century. And he's just the man to do it. He's done it on so many occasions before, and he does it with intellect and with respect for everybody involved, and he listens to people. You know, I've never ever been able to get an appointment with a Chief Justice previously, but I'm sure anybody who, you know, has a concern, he'll be accessible, I'm sure, for everybody.